That's my Red Hot Beauty, and this is the slowest person in the group.
When you don't have brakes, you will be slow.
And he is the craziest person in the group.
What about me?
And this is the second crazy person. That's an old guy who wants to be crazy but not crazy enough. We are taking a small break. So we are doing a little hike. Like 10 feet hike. And wow, nice view.
Casual shoe ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
Well, I'm the birthday boy, so don't miss me.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hey, welcome back to my channel Motomadness. Hope you guys are safe at home and maintaining the social distancing. I'm not doing it right now because it's my birthday and my brother and my wife brought me to the trail riding over here. They are right behind me over there, and yeah, I'm not wearing any of my motovlogging setup because this was a surprise visit. So I'm recording on my phone, it's in my helmet right now. So let's see how the audio comes up. Alright, this is my first experience riding a quad bike or a ATV bike, that's what they call it. It feels a little weird because the accelerator on this bike is more like a torque push, I think that's the word they said. It's more like your gear stick on your bicycle where you push like a starter button and it will accelerate. So it feels a little weird, and yeah, you can see my brother struggling right there. It's because controlling it's little kind of different. I don't know how should I say it. It feels weird because I'm used to using throttle on the bike. It's like zoom zoom, throttle up and go. But yeah, this is fun. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a little bit of hang of this. It's been like 5-10 minutes on this. Yeah, it's fun. Looks like my brother is not getting hang of it. Yeah, by the way, that's Gautam. You might remember from one of my old vlogs. He's my cousin, and the others are right behind me. Let's see if I can get them. Well, he's sucking up, so I'm okay. Our guide is like giving me an eye. I'm not sure if you can see this on the video, but I think he's just suggesting me to stay in line, not to race. Alright, I got some spot here, so I'm gonna just let my brothers go. That's Yesh, my sibling brother. That's Gautam. Yeah, the hippie is my first cousin. And this is Tanish. Yep. Crazy boys. Huh. Go, go! Huh, I don't know why they didn't go straight. Anyway, let me go dip myself in this pool of muddy puddles. Now they want to get muddy, huh? Yeah, that crazy bugger is Tanish, my cousin. So the guy next to him is Arjun, and yeah, I'm gonna overtake both of them. No. Alright. Let me just follow Gautam for now. Ah, come on, Gautam. No, no. Alright. So, Gautam is still like slipping and sliding everywhere. He's not getting used to this. Maybe because that 200cc bike is little difficult to control. And did you guys see that? I guess none of my cousins saw that. Yeah, like I was saying, the 200cc bike is little difficult to control because the wheels are smaller and the bike itself is small. Let me overtake them all and give a shot. That's Arjun. This is Tanish again. Alright. They are all sliding their bikes. I think they are doing it on purpose. Come on, I want to overtake. Oh, Bindo! Slowpokes. Not again, Gautam, come on! Alright, looks like no one is stopping for Gautam. Let me just see if he's coming. Okay, here he is. He just passed.
Can I come follow you guys for the camera? Huh? Hi. Hi, hi.
Alright, I wanted to follow these girls, but the guide said to stick with the boys, so I'm gonna go with the boys.
I'm gonna slow down a little so I get a nice stretch. That's my red hot beauty, and this is the slowest person in the group,
When you don't have brakes, you will be slow.
and he is the craziest person in the group.
What about me?
And this is the second crazy person. That's a old guy who wants to be crazy but not crazy enough. We are taking a small break, so we are doing a little hike, like 10 feet hike. And wow, nice view. Well, I'm the birthday guy, so don't miss me.